Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add effects to your text in CapCut and to make your videos stand out. Let's dive in. The first step is to open your CapCut and start a new project. And if you have an existing one, just continue with it. Next, tap on text at the bottom. Select Add Text and type in your message. You can adjust the font, the size and color to get the look you want. To make your text pop, scroll through the toolbar at the bottom and select Effect. Here you will find different text styles like glowing, shadowed and animated effects. Tap on any style to apply it and see a live preview of it. For an extra touch, you can add animations. Go to the animation tab and choose an in, out or loop effect to make the text move dynamically. And that's it guys, with these steps, you've added effects to your text in CapCut. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy creating eye-catching text for your videos. Bye bye!